What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in my live streams and in some of my videos, I talk about newer projects that may or may not be meme coins. And I think people kind of misunderstand what meme coins are and kind of what the longevity, what the length of life of them are. What they mean for people that are investing into them, as well as the projects that the people that create them. So I want to kind of break things down. I want to be as honest as I can about meme coins with you guys that I hope you guys respect. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. Now, if you want to trade some of these meme coins, you can trade on Margex, which you can trade Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Bonk, Pepe, all of the popular meme coins you can trade over there at up to a 25x leverage. And then you could trade some of the other positions as well, like BTC and XRP and Jasmine Coin from 50x to 100x leverage. So feel free to check that out. Link is at the top of the description. But the reason why I wanted to make this video, I was actually planning on making a different video, but the reason why I wanted to make this video is because I don't think people understand meme coins as a whole. Yes, the meme coin market is worth a lot. When you look at, the top meme coins by market capitalization and look at the overall sector, meme coins are worth $45.3 billion. Yes, trading volume is $6.1 billion there. And you could see some of the top meme coins being worth a lot more of the utility coins, coins that people are going to utilize day to day and find a different method to add to their regular day's life or their regular year's life, right? They may use it once or they may use it once a day. But the point is that these can be worth more than those. And what's the reason why? It's all about popularity. It's all about being popular because of the meme that is associated with it, because of the person that's associated with it, because of the different connection that it has to systems and just overall popularity, right? You look at Dogecoin, the popularity is through the roof. You look at Shiba Inu, popularity through the roof. Same thing for Pepe, same thing with Dog with Hat, Floki, all of those that are there. But when people invest into some of these meme coins, they'll invest in the beginning stages of it and expect every single one to play out like a Shiba Inu. Well, that's not going to be the case, right? It's not always going to play out that way. You may have a level where you end up gaining 100x, but not looking at a 10,000 or 100,000 or a 1 million x on your investment, right? If you saw that, then everybody would be a millionaire, right? But it's not as easy as people make it seem because of what happened with Shiba Inu, because of what happened with Dogecoin, because of what happened with Pepe, and a lot of other projects as well. Not every meme coin is going to be the next ship. Not every meme coin is going to be the next Pepe. And you have to understand that. Now, why am I bringing this to you? Because when we talk about meme coins, when we talk about meme coins and something is sitting at a $1 million market cap, if it goes from 1 million to 10 million, that's a win. That's a huge win. That's a 10x. But you have to understand that no matter what you're in, this is a player versus player market, right? So if you don't decide to take your initial investment or some profit, somebody else will. And then you're going to be the one that's stuck, kind of either holding the bag or believing in something that may not have as much belief, right? The overall belief and the popularity, the hype is over. Meme coins, honestly, to be 100% frank, are not meant to last. They have no use to them at all, with the exception of some, right? You have things like Floki that obviously is doing so much more so that it's meant to last. It's worth 1.5 billion, but honestly could be worth 10 or 20 or 30 or 50 billion because of the fact that they're implementing so many different things. The team is, honestly, I've seen the team at work. I've seen how much they care about their project, firsthand, and they do care about it a lot. Not to kind of boost Floki at all. Like I'm not a partner with them in any way, but I've seen it firsthand and what they're doing. You don't see that with Dogecoin. Well, you kind of do. You don't see that with Shiba Inu. You don't really see that with Pepe. And things that are true memes are about the meme. And if that meme doesn't last as long, you're not going to see that project be worth that much as as long. So you always go back to the saying that people always talk about 99% of coins are going to be worthless. I don't think that's necessarily true that they will be worthless, but they definitely will be worth less later stages, and you may see more things that have to gain popularity. It's about what's popular at the time. It's like let's compare it to Twitter. Right? If you go on Twitter and you see something that has 21 million likes, right? It's 21 million likes today and 21 million likes next week, but guess what? The next week after that, it has no popularity. It has that 21 million likes, but it's off to the side. No one cares about it anymore. Now they're on to the next thing that has now a 21 million or 25 million likes. So you compare it to that. It's whatever's popular, and then when you see that popularity die off, it's not going to be as tradable or as hyped up as before. But what you will see is you will still see volume, you will still see slight bit of attention that goes into it. So just to be 100% honest, they're not meant to last. They're not. Some of them will last, like Dogecoin for nostalgia reasons, Shiba Inu for nostalgia reasons. You also see some things like that are worth multiple billions of dollars that may end up having those larger lives. But after it gets to a certain level, let's say Shiba Inu or Dogecoin gets to $1. What's the purpose of Dogecoin after that? Now, if they utilize it for a form of payment, that completely changes things to where now it has a use to it. But it's not a sole use because you can find something that may be faster, that may be cheaper, that may be more secure, right? Same thing for Shiba Inu, right? If it gets up to a level of a penny, what's next? People sell, people take the profit, people are happy. It's a player versus player market. What's next for the actual position? That's where a lot of their heads are coming from. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't invest in the meme coins. It just means you need to protect yourself as much as you possibly can, whether you're on the higher end or you're on the lower end. And I've been recently investing into a lot of meme coins to where I've been gaining a little bit of profit, maybe like $1,000, $2,000 here or whatever. And just being happy with that and then leaving something in there for the potential chance for it to become a Shiba Inu. You never know. And that's what's interesting. The unknown is what makes it interesting. I don't want to talk down meme coins at all and say that the meme coin market is completely sketchy. But everything that you invest into is a player versus player market. If you see it skyrocket 100x or a 10x or 100x, if you don't decide to take any of your profit or your initial investment, other people will. That's the way that I look at it. And I've been seeing a lot of success lately because of it. That's just how investing works, right? And same thing goes for collectibles. You have something that's worth this much today, it may not be worth that much tomorrow. And if you sell it to another person, they get upset with the fact that it's not worth as much as they paid for, but you made the money that you're making because it's a player versus player market. Let me know your thoughts on this and how you're playing the game when you see all of these things take place. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And make sure you check out Margex if you guys want to actively trade, meme coins. Maybe you see it hit a certain low and you're like, I want to take advantage of this. So you do it at a 25x leverage. It works out. You end up making 25x what profit you would have made if you would have invested that money just outright. Feel free to do that. Link to Margex is in the description. If you struggle with understanding it, reach out to me on Patreon. I will, talk to you guys about it. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.